Hello everyone, welcome to Social. Today I will react to Kim Nam Joo's single album, or rather her solo debut, with the music video Bird. So let's start in 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh, love the aesthetic already.
눈을 떠 나의 뭔가 부서지는 듯한 기분 내 숨을 쉬어 거기 뭔가 불러지는 듯한 이름에 그래 맞잖아 널 찾아가야지 꺼지던 불씨 키워봐야지 떠났던 널
Interesting.
고도 잡아야지 이젠 날개를 꺼내
Ooh, nice. Very aesthetically pleasing music video. Love the choreography as well.
Because 1, 2, 3 I'm a bird. Birdie, birdie, yeah. I'm a bird. Gonna burn up, I'm gonna burn up. 불을 새겨 불을 지펴 fire. Gonna burn up, I'm gonna burn up. I'm gonna be free like a bird.
It's a very artistically pleasing music video. Well shot and well produced.
I'm a bird. Birdie, birdie, yeah.
Kinda reminds me just a tad bit of Blackpink music in a way. I mean the chorus.
나를 찾아서 그 아무도 모르게
Love the guitar.
내 오랜 꿈으로 벅차게 날아가줘
This part reminds me just a tad bit of Blackpink.
I'm a bird. Birdie, birdie, yeah.
Oh, the birds sound. Wow. Yeah. I mean, that was just birdie. Well, the funny thing is, I don't know if any of you plays golf, but birdie is a golf term as well. So it's a little bit funny. Birdie. Wait a minute. Let's make sure that I'm not just saying something. Might be golf, right, birdie. Okay, scoring 1 stroke less than the declared par of any given hole. Okay, well, I just thought that was a bit funny. I don't know if anyone else thought it was funny that that term is a golf term as well, but I just thought it was just something I noticed. Anyway, the music video. Wow. Uh, I'm I'm going to be very honest. I don't think. I mean, I love all the Apink's music videos. They're fantastic, but this one felt even more aesthetically and artistically pleasing. Every shot felt very fashion. It felt like there was something beautiful to look at in each frame. So I don't know. It looked very different compared to their group music videos. And the thing is, solo stuff should look different. It should have a personalized touch from the artist, because it's just them. It's just one of the singers from the group. So it should focus and show more of who they are as a solo artist outside of the group. And I thought that this bird did just that. Fantastic. Loved it. And I mean, Nam Joo, I've always thought she was a very good singer, and I love her vocal tone. It's pretty interesting sound. So yeah, loved it. I just wish she had not just one song, but it could be maybe she was too busy, or Play M felt like, nah, this one song is enough for you. I don't know. Since none of us are actually there, we wouldn't know why Namjoo, for example, only got one song, but one great song. So yeah, I will start with, I think Hyon will be next, because the thing is, people usually go to the main vocalist first, but I felt like, no, I'm actually going to wait with Unji's music, her solo albums, because I want to check out the others first, to give them their spotlight that they deserve. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, hit the like button, comment below, and please, if you haven't, subscribe, and have a nice Monday. See you soon.